Welcome everyone to the birthday party of Rency Jane L. Patches. I would like to say thank you for all attending today. Thank you so much. And to celebrate with us to the special day of my beloved daughter, Rency Jane L. Patches. Thank you kay Lord at thank you everyone. Pagpalain po ang buhay.
Happy birthday, Renzy!
Sana maging successful ka, tsaka maging healthy ka.
Happy birthday, Patches! Sana lagi kang masaya and healthy.
Happy birthday, Patches. I wish you all the best in life. Sana maging successful yung buhay mo. And salamat sa pabait mo sa amin. Happy birthday, Patches!
Hi Pachi, happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is maging mabuti kang ate at mag-iingat ka palagi. At maging masinuri kang anak. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hi Pachi, it's me, Tita Angel. Lagi ka magpakabait dyan ha. Matigas ang ulo kayong dalawa ni Palong. Happy birthday. Saka bawasan mo na yung pag-aaral mo kasi hindi ka na nakapag-amal masyado eh. Ha? Pag kailangan mo si Tita nandito naman, taga-buhat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Pachi! Wishing you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. More birthdays to come. I love you!
Dalaga ka na, ah. Ilang taon ka na? Ganun pa rin ba? Maldita ka pa rin ba? Wish ko lang, sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Tsaka, huwag ka na masyadong suplada, ha? Huwag ka na masyadong suplada na mahalin mo kapatid mo. Dalawa lang kayo magkapatid, magmahalan kayo. Tsaka sila mama mo, papa mo. Mama niya? Lola niya? Lola mama mo. Huwag pabayaan, alagaan mo. Tsaka si papa lolo mo. Ha? Mag-aral ka mabuti. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, Pati. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Pati. Happy birthday.
Hello ako. Dalaga ka na, 14 anyos na. O kailangan maging business or minded ka na or ano. Mag-aaral ka mabuti para mabot mo ang gusto mong gawin. Kailangan magandang ano mo. Alam mo mabuti at mali. Happy birthday ako. Ay? At happy birthday! Dali! Yung totoo. Ako kumanta eh. Hindi naman ikaw eh.
Happy birthday, Jen Renzy! Wish ko sa'yo, sana maging mabuti kang bata na sa paglaki. Lagi mong alagaan ang kapatid mo. At alam ko mabait kang bata, gaya ng mama mo at tita Iling mo po. Pasensya na sa kanina nga, marami akong rentang sa'yo, makakabawi din ako sa'yo dahil hindi na malang araw. Ngayon, enjoy mo yung special day mo. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Good luck and God bless you.
Mga tayo.
Bye-bye ka na, bye-bye. Bye-bye, ate. Bye-bye, ate. Happy birthday. Love you.
Magandang buhay, Che. Happy birthday. Sana enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Kahit wala ang mama mo na sa malayo. Che, masabi ko lang, mag-aaral ka mabuti. At saka mag-pray kay Lord. Gabayan ka niya. Pag-aaral para makatapos ka. Para matupad yung pangarap mo sa buhay. At saka, Che, lumahala kayo sa kapatid mo. Magkasundo kayo parati. Yan lang masasabi ko, Che. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Pachi. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Che, pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo para matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Kahit si mama mo nagtitiis, nasa malayo siya sa inyo, nagtitiis siya sa pagtatrabaho at lungkot.
para lang mabigyan kayo ng magandang buhay at magandang kinabukasan. Lagi kang manalangin, Jay, at magpapasalamat sa Panginoon sa lahat ng na-achieve mo ngayon. Asentro mo siya palagi sa buhay mo para magabayan ka niya palagi sa iyong pag-aaral. God loves you so much and He has a plan for you to give hope and future. Enjoy your day and happy birthday. God bless!
Kung may inaanak, baby Rins, hi! Happy birthday! This is your day. Enjoy your birthday. Wish lang sa'yo, sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo ay matupad mo balang araw. Huwag maging pasaway kay mama, kay papa, lagi mo sunurin. Tsaka, enjoy your life. Lagi mo tandaan, nagbilang si mama, tsaka si papa mo sa tabi mo, and si Ninang. More birthdays. Happy birthday! Love you!
Hi Renchi! Happy birthday! Wish ni Ninang, saan ka man, ano man ang ginagawa mo, lagi ka lang nasa mabuting kalagayan. Pagpatuloy mo yung pagiging mabuting anak, mapagmahal sa magulang at sa pamilya mo. Higit sa lahat yung pagiging God-fearing. Lagi kang mag-iingat, enjoy mo yung pag-aaral mo, at nandito lang si Ninang. Happy 14th birthday, Renchi!
Happy birthday to you, Rense! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Rense! Have a nice day! Mag-aral kang mabuti, okay? Kahit malayo si mama mo, pagbuti mong pag-aral mo, okay?
Big cake.
Yeah, big cake. Okay, have a nice day. Ingat palagi. Soon pupunta kayo sa amin. Magbabakasyon ulit sa Pangasinan, okay? We love you. We miss you. Bye!
Hi, Pachi! Happy 14th birthday to you na. I don't know if you still remember me because the last time I saw you, maliit ka pa. Now, look at you, 14 ka na. Time fly, di ba? I wish na matupad mo lahat yung pangarap mo sa buhay, makapagtapos ka, at always do good. I know you're always good as always. At I pray na alagaan ka ni Papa God lagi, gabayan ka, ganun din yung mga kapatid mo, lola at lolo mo, tita mo, especially sa mama mo na alam kong napakabuti ng kalooban ng mama mo kaya pinagpapala siya. Kaya kung ano man yung payo namin sa'yo, lalo na si mama mo, lagi mong pakinggan dahil alam ko naman na bawat parents gusto nila maging maayos at mapabuti ang mga anak nila. Kaya yun lang, Pachi, ingatan mo yung sarili mo at wag na wag basta magtiwala sa mga taong hindi mo palubusan kilala, ha? Ingatan mo yung sarili mo, lalo na ngayon, dalaga ka na. So, yun lang. God bless. Happy birthday once again. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Mwah. I love you. I miss you. Regards to your brother. Along. Bye.
Batiin niyo, kantahan yung happy birthday, dali. Happy birthday.
How do you sing it in Tagalog?
Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati.
Yay!
In German. Ready? In German. Ano? Consibustag Pilgrim. Paano ba yun?
I don't want to do it.
O, sige na lang sa isa. Spanish na lang. Cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños feliz. Que les dé amor todos. Cumpleaños feliz. Happy birthday, Ate Pachi.
Happy birthday, Happy Pachi!
Happy birthday, Ate Pachi. Happy birthday. O, kiss mo na.
Happy birthday, Ate Pachi!
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Happy birthday to an incredible girl, Rency Jane. As you celebrate this milestone, I want to share some heartfelt advice with you. Number 1, in Ecclesiastes 12 verse 1, quote ko lang po, remember your Creator in the days of your youth. Kaya alalahanin mo ang may likha sa'yo sa panahon ng iyong kabataan. Kaya paano mo siyang alalahanin? Walang iba kundi ipaglingkod mo, ipagamit mo yung buhay at lakas mo sa Diyos. Put God first in your life and you will be blessed by God. That is His promise. And number 2, in Ephesians 6 verse 1, children, obey your parents because you belong to the Lord. For this is the right thing to do.
Honor your father and mother. This is the first commandment with a promise. If you honor your father and mother, things will go well for you and you will have a long life on the earth. Kaya, ang paalala sa atin ng Diyos sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga salita, lagi nating sundin ang ating mga magulang, no? Kaya you are very blessed na meron kang nanay na napakabait, napakasipag, napaka-supportive, at maganda pa, di ba? Kaya lagi mo siyang susundin kasi lahat ng ginagawa niya para sa ikabubuti mo, para sa iyong kapatid din, no? Kaya lagi mo siyang papakinggan kasi mahal na mahal ka ng mama mo, and lagi kanyang pinagpe-pray. Kaya kapag sinunod mo ang mga magulang mo, things will go well for you and you will have a long life on the earth. Kaya yan ang may papayo ko sa iyo. And may your birthday be as special and extraordinary as you are. And may this year be filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable adventures. Happy blessed birthday. From yours truly, Tita Janice. Thank you. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Patchy. Happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing time celebrating your birthday, and I cannot believe that you're 14 years old. It's exciting to be a teenager, but sometimes it can be hard to be a teenager. And my advice for you would be to always remember who you are and make good choices and make your own independent choices, even if you have friends or people around you who make different choices that are not as good. But always remember who you are, especially when you're a teenager, because there's lots of people trying to figure out what is the best way or best thing to do in life. But we hope you have a wonderful day tomorrow celebrating in the Philippines and you eat lots of cake and do fun things with your family. And take care and God bless.
Hello, Patchy. Happy birthday. Especially happy 14th birthday. We hope you'll enjoy being a teenager. It's such an exciting time of life. We have just a few little bits of advice for you. The first thing I would say is stay close to God. Remember, He is your Heavenly Father and He knows you and loves you and will help you. The second thing is to work hard and learn all that you can learn. While you're learning, also learn some practical things. Ask Marlisa how to teach you how to cook and bake. Third thing, take time to relax and have some fun. Enjoy doing your painting, singing, and dancing. I know you like to do that. And last point from me is to read good books. Good books are like good friends and they can help you learn many wonderful things. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We really enjoyed spending some time with you. We got to see you twice and we enjoyed both of those times. We give advice to people that we care about, so that's why we're giving you a few suggestions that we think might be helpful to you. At this time in your life, I would suggest you very carefully choose good friends. Choose friends that will help you be a better person and will not lead you to do things that you know you shouldn't be doing. I would also suggest that you do things that would be an investment in yourself. It's easy to spend time and have time pass, but if you invest in yourself, you're making a good future for yourself. I would also suggest that you don't compare yourself to other people. With social media, it's easy to see people that seem to have everything and seem to have no problems. That's simply not true, but it's really not a good idea to compare yourself to anybody anyway. Compare yourself to what you want to be, and as you make progress and come closer to your goals, that's what will bring you the greatest happiness. And lastly, I would suggest that you develop an attitude of gratitude. If you are grateful for the things that you have, you will be happy. Again, we wish you a happy birthday and hope this is going to be a great year for you.
Hello, Ate Patchy, anak. I love you million times. Ngayong araw na to ay special day mo. Whee! Happy birthday! I love you million times, Mama Chup Chup. Alam mo yan. Dalawa kayong magkapatid. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal ko kayo. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, anak, ate, I'm so proud of you. Keep up your good work. Okay, continue dreaming, continue achieve what you want. Nandito lang si mama, nakasuporta sa'yo palagi. Hindi ko kayo iwan hanggang sa makagraduate kayo ni Bunso ng college. Mama love you so much, very, very, very much, to the highest level. Nandito lang si mama, kahit anong gusto nyo, susuportahan ni mama dahil mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal ko kayo. Susuportahan ko kayo ng abot ng aking makakaya. Gagawin ko yung the best ko bilang isang ina nyo. Malayo man ako or malapit, nandito pa rin ako, anak. Ginagawa ko to dahil anak ko kayo at obligasyon ko na gampanan bilang isang ina. Hindi nga lang sapat dahil hindi naman ako perfecto, anak. Pero alam ko, alam ni Lord na ginagawa ko yung the best para matugunan ko ang inyong pangangailangan at masuportahan ko ang inyong mga pag-aaral, ang inyong mga gusto sa buhay. Kaya huwag kang titigil, anak. Ate Pachi, kayong dalawa ni Palong, huwag kayong titigil. Mangarap, gawin ang mga bagay na makakabuti, na magpapaunlad sa inyo palagi. Okay? Araw-araw i-explore nyo yung sarili nyo sa panibagong kaalaman na pwede nyong matutunan na uunlad kayo sa inyong sarili at makakatulong kayo sa pamilya at sa kapwa. Ayan, higit sa lahat, yung naglilingkod tayo kay Lord. Okay? Yan ang wag na wag nyong iaalis sa puso't isip nyo kasi napaka-importante yan, anak. Sa Kanya, lahat ng gagaling ng blessings kung anong meron na ipinagkakaloob sa atin. Kaya dapat natin yun i-appreciate, ipagpasalamat at maging grateful tayo sa pang-araw-araw nating pamumuhay. I-appreciate natin yun dahil hindi lahat ng tao nabibiyayaan ng blessing, anak. Kaya ikaw, anak, habang lumalaki ka, do your best. Keep up the good work. Love yourself, love the Lord. Okay, unahin mo love the Lord. Okay, bago ang love yourself and love your family. Okay? Happy birthday, anak. At I love you so much sa inyong dalawa ni Palong. At isa pa, anak, lagi kang mag-iingat. Yun lagi kong sinasabi, alamin mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung kayong dalawa ni Palong, yung tama at mali. Okay, nak? Kung mali, wag gagawin. Kung tama, bagkus gumawa pa ng mas makakabuti. At alagaan at tulungan mo ang iyong kapatid sa lahat ng oras. Magtulungan kayong dalawa kasi dalawa lang kayong magkapatid. Kayong dalawa ang pinakamahalagang regalong na natanggap ko sa aking buhay. I love you so much, Ate Pachi and Palong. Mama, chup chup. God bless! At ang advice ko sa iyo, anak, ay mag-aral kang mabuti at gawin mo yung abot mong makakaya hanggang makatapos ka ng college, hanggang matupad mo lahat ng iyong mga pangarap. At pangalawa ay manatili kang nananalangin, kumakapit kay Lord habang lumalaki ka at habang natutupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap, anak. Nandito lang si Mama Janet, nakasuporta sa iyo. Meron nga pala akong Bible verse na para sa iyo to. Para sa iyo to, na kasi kagabi ko pa to pinagpipray at sabi ni Lord, ibigay ko raw ito sa'yo. Gamitin mo to, pagmulay-mulayan mo habang ikay lumalaki. Kasi itong salita na to ay magbibigay sa'yo ng malawak na pangunawa pagdating sa pamumuhay sa buhay bilang isang teenager, but bilang isang tao. Okay, ito na. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5. Trust in the Lord. Ayan. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. Ayan, pag mulay-mulayan mo yung salita na yan, makapangyarihan yung salita na yan, gamitin mo yan, nak, sa pang-araw-araw mong pamumuhay habang ikaw ay lumalaki. Magtiwala ka sa Kanya. Isa pa, nak, yung Psalm chapter 37, verse 4 and 6. Yan, commit your way to the Lord. Yan, napakaganda nito, nak. Commit your way to the Lord. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desire of your heart. Commit your way to the Lord. Trust in Him, and He will act. He will bring forth your righteousness as the light and your justice as the noonday. Yan, maganda to, nak, maganda. Magagamit mo to sa pang-araw-araw mong pamumuhay habang ikay lumalaki at habang malayo ako sa inyong dalawa magkapatid. Dahil mahal na mahal na mahal ko kayo. At ang pinakang huli ay Jeremiah 29, verse 11. So, hanapin mo yan sa Bible ha, isulat mo to. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and hope. Anak, happy birthday. I love you million times. Nandito lang si Mama Janet. Hindi ko kayo iiwan dahil mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal ko kayo. Hindi pa dito natatapos ang aking birthday greeting sa iyo, Ate Pachi. Taon-taon, sinosurprise niyo ako ni Tita Ining at ni Bunso. Ngayon naman ako naman ang magsusurprise sa inyo ng aking birthday greetings dance move. Ayan, panoorin mo to anak. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Andito lang si Mama. Malayo man ako, lagi ko kayong dala sa puso ko. Dahil mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal ko kayo. Love you. God bless.
Ate Pachi. Happy birthday, Ate Pachi.
Sabi mo, maligayang kaarawan.
Maligayang kaarawan, Ate Pachi.
Oh, Mama chup chup.
Mama chup chup.
Here's my video, ate. Watch it. I love you.
Ready? Let's go.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a card like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up because it's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. My mind know what you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, baby, what's your name? Go, girl, it's your birthday. Open wide, I know you're thirsty. Say hi, say hi. We don't buy no drinks at the bar. Pop champagne 'cause we got that dough. Let me hear you say ah. You wanna say ah.
Thank you so much, anak, sa panonood ng aking surprise video dance move para sa iyo. I love you so much. I'm so proud of you. At ipagpatuloy mo ang pagiging mabuting anak ng Diyos, anak. We love you. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At alagaan mo yung sarili mo, anak, ha? Maraming salamat. Ingat ka. Happy birthday. Yes, 40 na ang aking Ate Pachi. Wala na akong baby. Hindi ka na baby. I love you. Pakis ulit. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. So, enjoy your food. Manatiling kapit kay Lord. Manalangin bago kumain. At bago matulog, ha? Lagi kayo sinasabi sa inyo. So, bye! Wala lang. Na-excite lang ako sa'yo, anak. Kasi 14 ka na. Love na love ka ni Mama. In God's will, soon, kapag ipinagkaloob ni Lord, baka pwede na tayong magkasama dito, anak. I love you. Hintayin natin yun. Pag si Lord yung nagpatupad, walang imposible. Lahat magiging posible. Pagpalain ng buhay. God bless. Bye-bye. I love you.
Maligayang bati sa iyong katawan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa iyong katawan. Happy birthday to you. Ginawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Nabigyan ka ba niya ng maraming kaalawan? Liligaya ka sa buong buhay. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Ano ang